Hello everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel. Today, let's learn together about the 2023 physics examination. We will focus on questions related to Newtonian mechanics. My explanations may not be perfect. If any teachers, parents, or classmates find errors, please feel free to provide your guidance. Only count squares under the curve that are at least 50% shaded. The area under the curve is approximately 9 squares. Each square is 50 multiple 0.01. So, the area represents 4.5, nearly 5.0. B is correct. If air resistance is ignored, the acceleration of free falling is independent of mass. So, they will reach the surface together, and D is correct. The spring constant is the ratio of force to the delta length of the spring. Please units of in kilonewton to the meter and newton. The results are the quotient of force to compression, and the value is equal to D. When the car is on level, the spring is compressed by 4.0 millimeters. When it goes over a bump, its spring is compressed by 8.0 millimeters. Ask for the additional potential energy stored in its spring when it goes over a bump. Calculate the elastic potential energy on 4.0 millimeters and 8.0 millimeters, respectively, and then the difference between them. This value is B. Maya moves at constant speed on the slope. The slope is 5 degrees to the horizontal and the combined mass is 65 kilograms. Draw and label each force acting on the system. The gradational force must be perpendicular to the horizontal, and normal force to slope. Don't forget frictional force because this motion is constant velocity, and frictional force must balance the normal force component on slope. Frictional force must be parallel to the slope. Constant velocity means that the resultant force is zero, so normal, gravitational, and frictional forces can structure a triangular. This triangular is a right triangular. Using trigonometric functions, we can calculate the magnitude of frictional force. The momentum is transferred, via the pole, to the Earth because the pole is connected to Earth strongly. The kinetic energy is transformed into other energy, such as ear, voice, and work done by the muscles. There are 4 multiple-choice questions worth 1 point each, and the total mark is 4 marks. There is also one short-answer question worth 7 marks in Newtonian mechanics. The overall score for this section is 11 points. With a total possible score of 130 points, the percentage for this section is 8.5% of the total score. If you need my help, please add me on WeChat or WhatsApp, and send me an email. Thanks for your attention. Please note Dr. Lou's VCE Physics channel and Lou's VCE Chemistry channel.